Hi, guys. Hey, Sue. I bet you I can make something awesome from all this cardboard in just an hour.
Huh, okay. Go ahead.
Oops, I forgot something. So, are you ready? Then set the timer on.
Well, let's see what you can make. Ready, set, go!
Oh, soon you will see something special. Hold on a little bit more. So much stuff to do, so busy. I need this, and that. And this.
Oh, it's been an hour already. Time to check out Sammy's work. Oh, Sam, what a mess! By the way, where are you? Sam!
I'm here, Sue, but I didn't get to finish it.
Oh, cheer up and let me help you. What did you want to make? Sam, what are you looking at?
At the alien technology. We need to construct the prototype. We'll create an Autobot!
Good job, Sam. You are a real cardboard cutting master. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree that Sam is a master.
Of course. You know that I even have a medal for this.
But your relationship with glue is not as good. Let me do it for you.
Actually, I thought about you too and didn't want you to sit around doing nothing.
Sam, you're so caring. That's why I love you. Well, and where is the bumper here? Did you manage to cut it?
What do you mean? What was I doing here all this time? I cut everything but didn't manage to assemble it.
Oh, no offense, Sammy. I know that you're super fast. But I've got one very important question. Sam, what color do you want our Autobot to be?
The brightest one, yellow, but the grid will be painted black.
Ooh, that means we're making Bumblebee?
Sure, the brightest Autobot. You know how I like bright colored things. Let's paint. And I'm adding some blue accents. Look how these parts came out.
Wow, awesome, Sammy. Maybe you'll paint everything from now on?
Nope.
Oh.
You need a job too. Look! Our Autobot will look very cool with this.
Ooh. Right you are. Looks great. Now it's time to glue this overlay.
Guys, do you know what car model our lovely Bumblebee is? Write in the comments.
These will serve as side arches for the wheels. That way, our transformer will be even prettier.
Wow, that's what I call a real tuning.
Well, Sam, it's time for popsicle sticks. I already cut them.
No, I was saving them for so long.
Sammy, I'm pretty sure that with your obsession with sweets, you'll restore your stock in no time.
Yeah, but I didn't save as much as I wanted to.
Don't worry, together we'll collect everything. And pop! This piece goes here.
Guys, and you together can press that pretty bell button under the video.
Look how interesting it's coming out. We are ready for the next stage. We are all set to assemble the head of our transformer. Sam, you are a real master. You cut everything out so nicely.
I sure am. Don't forget about the metal.
You cut it yourself? No?
It doesn't deny the fact that I am the best cardboard cutter. Autobots, roll out!
Great look, Sammy. You are a real Autobot leader.
I hope you remember that I am the best at coloring. Whoosh!
Of course, Sam, but I think that I'm also good at it.
Maybe you're not bad at it, but no better than Samuel the Great.
Oh, we'll see about that.
Guys, write in the comments, who's your favorite artist? Sue, me, or Samantha?
Now we will glue the head to the front part of our transformer. Like this. Sam, where are all these parts? And how did this get here?
Look under the blueprints. They might be there.
I guess someone needs to learn how to clean up the working space. Ugh.
Oh no, I'm super tired, so I cut so much, even such a master like me can get tired.
Okay. The main thing is that all the pieces fit. I hope you didn't make anything extra.
For your information, I prepared everything that's necessary, not even a piece extra. Well, maybe almost.
What do you mean? Hey, Sam? Sam? Ugh. Whatever.
I added a little something. Look how cool these thingies are! We will have the best Autobot ever!
Oh, Sam! I never thought you knew so much about Transformers and cars. You are such a smart slime.
Oh yes, and I want our Autobot to be the most awesome one!
It will be so.
Sue, I decided that it will be easier to saw it if I mark it properly.
Sam, I see that you did the most difficult work.
I'm happy that you noticed my work. Wait, are you making fun of me?
No, you're a real gentleman.
I just wanted to see how you would do it.
I know. Guys, ask an adult to help you while working with the hacksaw. So, Sam, is it clear now? Go and saw the second set, and meanwhile, I'll screw the hinges on.
Sure, I'm the best helper in the world.
I never doubted it, Sammy. There. And this goes here.
It's time to show off my talents again.
Sam, I bet that I can paint the bar faster than you. Even faster than our viewers will subscribe to our channel.
Ha! Look who's talking. I will finish it faster than a blink of your eye.
I'm almost done.
But mine looks prettier. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree with me.
Sam, of course your bar looks prettier. And here's our mechanism. Oh, and now we will work with something I like even more than cardboard.
Is it chocolate?
Sure, I like chocolate, but I meant magnets.
I actually wanted to say magnets, but I decided to play a joke on ya.
Of course you did. You're the best joker ever.
I am, actually. Guys, help me prank Sue. Write in the comments some fun options.
Good boy, Sam. You made so much. You really just didn't have time to assemble the Transformer.
Yep, maybe your timer got broken and showed the wrong time. I'm quite sure that it was only 10 minutes, not an hour.
Quite sure, not absolutely sure? Did you forget to add a magnet in each arm? Oh, now I see that you didn't.
I never forget things and do everything properly.
Good job. You really didn't forget.
Well, sometimes I do, to clean up the mess after the craft or juice in the fridge after lunch. and sometimes I throw candies around and then I forget that I did it and then everyone keeps stepping on them.
Yeah, that's true, but not a problem. There's also room for improvement. So, what's with the legs for a robot? Where are they?
Oh, Autobots! Here they are, running to you! By the way, look at this paint job.
Oh, what a color depth. You are so talented. Maybe you can start painting the pictures?
Why not? I will become a famous painter, and you will beg me to paint your portrait.
You better pass me more popsicle sticks. And be careful with the clippers.
These are the last ones, Sue. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the moment when I become the greatest artiste.
Don't worry. We'll have to take a trip to the store to get more ice cream.
Oh, wow. I hope we'll do it soon.
We will finish the Transformer, and I will treat you, Sam. Sam, where'd you go again? Looks like we found what Sam forgot to cut.
Phew! I made it! While you were doing some easy job, I cut and colored the roof and windows.
Ooh, you thought about every detail. Great job.
You forgot again who you're dealing with.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Great Slime Sam.
Now always call me that. Wait, are you making fun of me again?
No, Sam. Well, maybe a little, but in a friendly way.
Really? Oh, okay. I'll forgive you today.
Thank you. You're a real friend. I will forgive some of your jokes and pranks too.
I guess I found some entertainment for the evening.
Sam, I hope you aren't plotting anything ominous, my little Dr. Evil.
No, when night comes, we will see.
We are almost to the finish line. Last push and the transformer will be ready.
I'm sure we'll need this now.
Ooh, you are right as always, Sammy. Now we need to put the discs onto this straw like this. Now we cut the rest. Guys, be careful while using a cutter. You can get hurt easily.
Yep, and do you remember which transformer we're making?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe Optimus Prime?
No, it's Bumblebee! Oh, you got me again.
Sam, do you want to see some magic?
Sure, bring it on.
Then watch. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, it worked. Did you see it, Sam? Can you repeat it?
Easy peasy.
Wow, well done.
Look, 3 wheels at once. Not like you can do it.
Amazing. You are learning fast. So smart. Sam, bring the chopstick pieces, please.
Okay, I'm on it. Why are they so small? What are you gonna do with them?
Wow. What is your guess?
Oh, these are the wheel axes.
Correct. They will hold the wheels for our transformer.
I am so smart today.
Do you know what a real robot needs?
Wheel?
Almost right. Nuts.
Gosh, now it will be a real transformer. I can't wait to see it in action.
We'll cover them with round cardboard pieces so it looks nicer. Done and done. Mission complete.
Yay! This is such an awesome transformer!
I like it as well, but without you, we would have never assembled it so quickly.
I wish I had more time. Then I'd have made it alone.
It's no big deal. Next time, you'll manage to make a transformer in 1 hour.
Sue, who's your favorite transformer?
I don't know. I need to think. Maybe you, Sambot? Guys, who's your favorite transformer? Write in the comments.
Hi, Sue. I am Transformer Sambot. Have you seen the best slime here?
Here he is, right in front of me. See you soon, guys. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the bell button.
So you don't miss any new videos. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.